Who the fuck is Get Frog? Put some respect on my name.
Extracting cargo.
Nerds!
Rogue striker drone detected. Hostile striker drone detected. Rogue airburst seeker mine detected. Hostile air. Now detecting contaminated gear. Rogue agent neutralized. Survive. Immediate medical assistance needed.
I'm back, Mr. Magic City, blowing color purple, I make it rain on your forehead. Thought I had a fan the way I blow that money. You would've thought I had a plan the way I throw that money. The feds outside and they checking his tag, but still the boy move with a hell of a swag. It's like the soundtrack to my life. Every day I'm on investigation, but I will not stop. Stop the hate. What more can I say? It's like my gift and my curse. To fail or succeed, I don't know what's worse. No, I don't know what's worse. Angels trying to find a glitch in my matrix. One step and I'm back to the basics. Red or blue pill, what would you do when the same niggas you love got hate in their blood?
He ain't really from that block, bitch. He ain't really getting that guap, bitch. He ain't on top, bitch. I beg your pardon, you bumped your fucking head, you retarded. He ain't really got it like that, bitch. I bet he gon' be quiet after that, bitch. That nigga shit whack, bitch. I beg your pardon, you bumped your fucking head, you retarded.
No God's watching over me, so is the feds. When love turned to hate, a niggas rather you dead.
Oh!
Nerds!
An agent needs assistance. Rogue agent neutralized. Contaminated gear detected. Rogue fixer drone detected. Hostile fixer drone detected. Rogue agent eliminated. System curtailed.
Fuck. Oh!
Restored.
No. No. He wasn't ready. He wasn't ready.
Oh!
Trauma detected. Extraction called.
Something like a boss dude, looking like cool Mo D, cousin Akun. Dark 30, gold on tweak mode, off to the tree man house, gotta reload. My rallies really can't trust us. Big ass sunglasses, baby busters, looking like a bug. Islam mug, looking like I'm from the crest. Fresh, no mildew, tone local, suction pipe on the back, come spoke with it. My white tee only wear one time. Northern Cali, fall with the sunshine. Yeah, some call it y'all, I mean dumb hype. Jumping on something.
I wear my story.